Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to download sticker packs on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to explore more sticker options to enhance your conversations. So today I am going to show you how to download sticker packs on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat or contact where you want to access sticker packs. Once you have selected the chat, simply tap on the smiley icon at the left side of the text input field. This will open the emojis and stickers menu. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see different options. Simply tap on the stickers icon. Here, to download more sticker packs, simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the WhatsApp sticker store. In this store, you can explore various sticker packs created by different artists. Browse through the available packs, and when you find a sticker pack that you like, tap on it to preview the stickers. Here, you can see the different stickers within the pack. Now, to download the pack, simply tap on this download button. After that, the pack will now be downloaded and be added to your sticker collection. You can now access the sticker pack from the sticker tab. There you go. If you wanted to know how to download sticker packs on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to download sticker packs on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.